Well, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has now called a meeting of all chief ministers to discuss the rise in COVID-19 infections. The Prime Minister will be chairing a high-level meeting virtually and is likely to reiterate that states must ensure strict adherence to health protocols, including social distancing and wearing of masks. Now, the meeting, of course, assumes significance as some parts of the country have resorted to local lockdowns as well as travel restrictions. Let me go across to Sumi now, who's reporting on this meeting that will be held today. Now, Sumi, the meeting, of course, assumes significance because it was on Sunday that perhaps India rose again to those 26,000 cases mark in a day. So that's something that's rattled everybody. And there are obviously fears of a second wave.
Absolutely. Amid the scare of the second wave, Nupur, now Prime Minister Narendra Modi will certainly take stock of the situation in several states that have been witnessing a proper surge in the COVID-19 cases. And there are as many as 8 states, including Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Chhattisgarh and also Madhya Pradesh, where the surge in the COVID-19 cases have been witnessed in the past few days. In fact, India has reported more than 26,000 cases in a day, and that happened on Sunday. And the last time it happened, it was back in 2020 on December 20th. So this is rather very concerning, and which is why Prime Minister Narendra Modi has upped the ante and will take stock of the situation, and he will hold these virtual meetings with all the concerned chief ministers, and especially the chief ministers from these 8 states. And in Maharashtra, we have seen in Thane district, in Nagpur, all these places have gone down in a local lockdown. In fact, they're witnessing a local lockdown as well. And there have been again such warnings by the government as well that people who have not been taking the social distancing norms very seriously and not adhering to it, such as wearing masks and following the respiratory etiquettes, will certainly see a lockdown in several parts of Maharashtra. Whereas other states, they are of the view that lockdown is certainly not going to control the surge in COVID-19, and which is why Prime Minister will be holding such meetings. And last year, during COVID-19 and during the surge of it, PM has taken such measures of holding such meetings repeatedly, and in fact last year when in November such meeting was held, he had asked all the chief ministers to bring the positivity rate at 5%. In fact, this year also in January, ahead of the rollout of the COVID-19 vaccination, such preparedness and taking stock of the situation and such meetings were held by Prime Minister as well this year.
Now, very quickly, Sumi, this of course is the first meeting that we are seeing since January 16. That was the day that India rolled out the largest immunization drive that's been seen in the world. Now, anything that you're hearing on that aspect of that, is there going to be perhaps an expansion of the immunization drive? Because, there have been calls for that.
Absolutely. Today, Health Ministry also will address the press, and they will rather, address the press around these areas as to what actions have been taken, what is the preparedness of this immunization drive per se, and when will the next, vaccination will take place. In fact, we are right now in the world's second largest immunization drive, and we are witnessing that the age group above the age of 50, between the age of 50 and 60 are getting immunized on a regular basis, and there are millions of doses that are getting rolled out. There are thousands of people who are getting administered across the country on an everyday basis. So certainly, the press briefing of the Health Ministry, which will take place at 4 p.m. today, will hold a lot of importance because people will get to know the new number, the latest, status will be put out for the people to know as to where the vaccination drive also stands. And vaccination drive comes, holds a very instrumental role right now because of the surge of COVID-19 cases in the recent days. 20,000 number of cases that are coming on an everyday basis is rather very alarming at this point, especially when the vaccination drive is going on.
Absolutely. Sumi reporting from New Delhi. Thank you for the moment, Sumi, for joining us with all those details. As we were talking about, of course, the Prime Minister chairs that meeting today. He's meeting all the chief ministers virtually. And one of the things that will be on top of his mind, of course, will be the surge in COVID cases that we have seen in the recent weeks.